Hey guys, it's Itshlengy I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this crisscross backless top, which I saw on SHEIN on their website, and I got inspired to do one, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Make sure to subscribe on my channel for more fashion, skincare and hair videos. So this is the top that I was wearing, and this is the material which I bought on my local store, and it's 1 meter. So I'm not going to be showing you step, but this is the pieces that I'm going to be putting together. The long one is for my neck, and which covers the boobs, and the smaller ones it's the back and the front, which is gonna go on my waist. Okay, so I've put the material together. So this is the back and the front, and the longer one is that's the material is going to go over my neck, and it will eventually cover my boobs. So I'm going to piece that material together. I'm going to sew it together and show you guys the final look. Okay, so I haven't sewed it, but I've put pins. You can see what I was talking about, guys. Like, make sure to like this video if you like it. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, and I'm gonna see you next time.